Hey guys, so we're all familiar with the traditional way of adding numbers, where the numbers in the furthest right column are added first, working our way to the left. Any number higher than 10 is going to carry over into the next place. And so just so we make sure that our answers are the same, we're going to go ahead and add this one the traditional way, and then I'm going to show you the lattice addition algorithm, which may help some students that might have a little bit trouble with their addition. So try the traditional way first. We have 9 plus 3 is going to give us 12. We have our 2, and then we're going to carry the tens place over. We have 1 plus 4 is going to give us 5, plus 6 will give us 11. Our 1, carry over that 1. 8 plus 6 is going to give us 14, plus 1 is going to be 15. Carry the 1. And then we have 7 plus 5 is 12. Add the 1 is 13. So there's our answer, is 13,512. And I'm going to show you just a little bit different way of adding these numbers together that might help some students. So here we go. 7, 8, 4, 9, plus 5, 6, 6, 3. All right. So we're going to start off making ourselves some little boxes here, and then we'll kind of do that right here and a line right there, and then we're going to do lines like this. Okay. It just kind of helps to sort everything out, so it makes it easier for adding at the end. All right, so for the first numbers, we have 9 plus 3 is going to give us 12. Okay, we're going to write our tens right here. We're not going to worry about carrying anything over. Then we have 4 plus 6 is going to give us 10. 8 plus 6 is going to give us 14. 7 plus 5 is going to give us 12. And so this way we're not actually adding up the tens place and carrying it over. We're going to add up according to the diagonal lines. So there's nothing here except for the 2, so we have 2. And then we're going to add this column right here, and let me just kind of get a different color here that might kind of help us to see that. So I add everything in this little one right there. We're going to add everything in this one. You can see that. And everything in this little row right here. And then that last one also. So you see how these are kind of divided up into not really rows, but they're diagonal columns. And we're just going to add those up and get our answer there. So the first one is just 2. The second diagonal column is going to be 0 plus 1, just gives us 1. And the second diagonal column, we have 4 plus 1 is going to give us 5. In the next one column, we have 2 plus 1 is going to give us 3. And in that last one is just the number 1. And that gives us the same answer that we received up here. It's 13,512. Hope that helps maybe some parents or other students that are struggling with with trying to understand the traditional method of carrying. Sometimes young kids can have issues with that. And then other times, if you're a parent trying to teach your kids and you're used to the traditional method and they're doing this method at school, this just kind of shows you how to do that. Hope you enjoyed the video.